Hello everyone, welcome to Wallpaper channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. Then tap on wallpaper and style. From here, go to change wallpapers. Now from here, you can choose any type of wallpaper as you like. From here, you can choose featured wallpaper. Also from here, you can choose wallpaper from your gallery. And from here you can choose graphical or colors wallpaper. Now if you want to set this wallpaper, you can set this wallpaper lock screen or home screen and both. If I select only home screen, then tap on next. From here tap on done and it's done. Now if you go back on the home screen, now you can see in my phone wallpaper has been changed. And that is how you can change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.